दक्षिण गोंय जिल्लोधिकारी इमारत मडगांव हांगा पयली दक्षिण गोंय जिल्लो गिरायक संरक्षण मंडळ बसका बुधवारा जाली। गिरायक संरक्षण कायदो FDA कायदेशीर मापनशास्त्र आनी ब्युरो ऑफ स्टँडर्ड कायद्यांत हाडिल्ली दुरुस्ती सयत वेगवेगळ्या प्रस्नांचो हे बसकेंत नियाळ घेतलो। पळयात।
Consumer Dispute Redressal Forum in South Goa, but unfortunately, as a Consumer Forum member, I am not very happy the way it is functioning. I had filed RTI to ask for last 2 years' cases, saying that the statistics are very bad. Out of total of 177 cases, only 10 complaints were resolved in favor of the complainant. 10 were some partly allowed, and there were also some consent terms, declared terms. 11 cases, so 31 cases out of 177. And then there are consumer disputes should be resolved in 3 months, but there are about 8 cases where it is taken 2 years and still not resolved. So what I feel is that there should be some audit of the cases which are going on, and also I think there should be some guidance, because I myself have filed a case, but I am looking for guidance.
Every gym should have a medical person to check you before you start the exercise. And these supplements are on the grey market. They are illegal. And after the Rotary Club president of Panjim died, we had moved a petition to the department. Till today, no resolution is there. So I would request, sir, if you can take the initiative, because we are a tourism state, sir. Thousands of tourists are coming here. They also do not know that these gyms are not regulated.
दक्षिण गोंय जिल्लोधिकारी अश्विन चंद्रू IAS हांच्या अध्यक्षतेखाला ही बसका जाली। गिरायक हक्क कार्यकर्त्यांनी जिल्लोधिकारी कडेन मागणी केल्या की नितळसाण आनी कोयर वेवस्थापन आनी पर्यटन अशे प्रस्न कावन्सिल बसकेंत आस्पाव करचो, अशी माहिती गोवा कॅनाचो संयोजक रोलंड मार्टिनान दिली। आयकात।
Today we have had 4 major presentations. These presentations are important because these acts have been changed. Consumer Protection Act now is 2019. Legal Metrology Act has been amended. Bureau of Indian Standards Act is there, and FDA. So what happens here, by making this presentation today, the entire members have got an opportunity to see what is possible. We would like to take 2-3 major issues here today, as we have already taken up with Collector today. Today is World Malaria Day. So one of the things that we want to take up with this district administration to the Consumer Council is to give good training to the consumer. What is happening? What needs to be done to combat this vector-borne disease? Now we are finding very serious problems in the setup. For example, contractors who are not registered, they are supplying labor, and they are not taking the health cards. So we want to take this on a war footing. This is the first issue. Second, we want to take up is waste management and sanitation.
GOA365 खातीर संदीप तुयेकार, श्वेता गांवकर आनी संगीता ओली।